Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming live from a tropical paradise. All right, guys, so this is going to be another video about RunnerBot. You guys know what RunnerBot is by now if you've been on my channel. It's basically a signal service that shows you the best calls and how to get the best calls, right? Now, I'll be completely transparent with you. I had to remove a troll from my channel earlier. He said that, I'm only showcasing the winning trades, right? Well, he's partly right because obviously you wouldn't want to show any losing trades. Like, you're not going to show bad trades. Like, yeah, there is bad trades, but there's really good trades too, right? And the really good trades make up for the bad trades. And I told you guys, I said, listen, don't over fucking trade. Don't over fucking trade, right? Don't trade all day, right? Because most people that are watching these videos, they don't have unlimited capital. Even if you had a lot of money, guys, and you're really good at trading, you wouldn't trade all day, guys, because trading is very stressful. It's very time consuming and it sucks a lot of energy and everything, right? So I told you guys to trade during the New York, okay? I said trade during the New York, use the filters, watch all my videos on RunnerBot how to set it up. Okay, price is jumping to $9.97 on the first. I'm no longer going to be working with any broke tire kickers, people sitting on the fence or, they're thinking about it. It'll be too late, guys. And like I said, my new video is coming out soon. I've been really busy, but I'll probably make like a video maybe once a week at that point, right? And there's not going to be any value provided. It's just going to be how much money I'm making, my lifestyle, stuff like that. Just kind of like, oh, we're rich, you're not, stuff kind of like Orangey's content, right? Like, he doesn't really provide value at all either, right? He just shows people content and he's just like, yeah, this is how you trade meme coins. And then he's just like, yeah, this, whatever, total clown. Okay, so yeah, guys, look at this. Come in here, spin the wheel. Okay, it's $9.97, guys, on the first. All you gotta do is click here, spin the wheel. Okay, boom, 47 bucks. Okay, click now, pay now with now payments, right? And then you pay with Solana, and then you just click right here and fill the form out, and that's it. And then you got lifetime access, but it's only gonna be till the first, guys. Like I said, there's not going to be any more specials. There's not going to be any fire sales. Nothing of that. Okay? $9.97, guys. So, yeah, check all the links below, guys. Get in where you fit in. And, yeah, like I said, guys, the clock is ticking. Okay? The clock is ticking on this. And the spin the wheel only is going to last for 2 more days. This is like the crazy deal, guys. This is the craziest deal you're ever going to see in your entire life. And then once this ends, it's going to go back to the split pay lifetime where it's $100. Before the first, and the $100 towards the end of September. So that's it, guys. I'm throwing you guys a life preserver. These calls are real. They can all be verified on chain inside of my Telegram. 2000X, Kate, 580X, Jimothy, all these calls, guys. All these calls. Okay, you can read the frequently asked questions down here. All right. So get in when you're fitting, guys. Time is running out. The clock is ticking. It's going to be extremely difficult for you to work with me after the first. That's all I'm saying right now. And I am a man of my word. I am not changing it to lower than $9.97. So that's it, guys. Have a wonderful day and good luck.